Something just changed in how advanced drone systems operate, and it happened in a single demonstration. China's new Atlas drone swarm system didn't just showcase technology, it revealed a fully connected process from detection to action. This marks a major turning point, where algorithm-driven warfare becomes operational in real-world conditions. In this video, we'll break down how Atlas works, what makes it different, and why it could reshape the future of intelligent systems. What makes the Atlas system so important is not simply the number of drones it can launch, but the fact that it demonstrated a complete operational chain working as one unified system. Instead of presenting individual components or isolated capabilities, the demonstration revealed a full sequence that connects detection, identification, deployment, and execution into a seamless process. That level of integration is what signals a real shift in how advanced drone systems are evolving. At the center of this architecture is the Swarm, two-ground vehicle designed to carry and deploy up to 48 fixed-wing drones. Supporting it is a command vehicle capable of coordinating as many as 96 drones simultaneously. This is where scale becomes meaningful. The focus is no longer on what a single drone can do, but on how a large number of units can be organized into a coordinated formation that behaves like a single system. The demonstration itself highlighted how this system operates step by step. It began with identifying targets within a complex environment, where multiple similar objects were present. The system then selected the correct objective, activated the launcher, and deployed drones in a controlled sequence. Once airborne, the drones continued to operate in coordination, maintaining communication and adjusting their positions before completing their assigned roles. What stands out here is the continuity of the process. Traditionally, each phase, detection, decision, deployment, has been handled separately, often requiring multiple systems and layers of human input. Atlas compresses these stages into one continuous flow. That means less delay, fewer disconnects, and a more responsive system overall. Another important aspect is modularity. The drones are not limited to a single function. Some are equipped for observation, others for signal relay, and others for task execution. This allows the system to adapt based on mission requirements rather than being locked into a fixed configuration. It transforms the Swarm into a flexible toolkit rather than a single-purpose solution. The most defining feature of the system is not the drones themselves, but the way they think, communicate, and adapt as a connected group. Each drone within the Atlas system operates with what can be described as a smart brain. This allows it to share information with other drones in real time, creating a constantly updated picture of the environment. Instead of relying on a central controller for every movement, the Swarm distributes decision-making across all units. This creates a system that is both faster and more resilient. One of the most impressive aspects is formation control. When dozens of drones are airborne at the same time, maintaining safe distances and stable positioning becomes extremely complex. Atlas solves this through automated adjustments, where each drone continuously recalculates its position based on the movement of others. This ensures smooth coordination without collisions, even in dynamic conditions. The launch process also reflects this level of precision. Rather than releasing all drones at once, the system uses timed intervals, approximately every 3 seconds, to ensure stable spacing and organized deployment. More importantly, the order of launch can be adjusted depending on the mission. Observation units can be sent first to gather information, followed by support elements, and then the main task-oriented units. This creates a layered structure that builds situational awareness before taking further action. Communication is another key factor. The drones are designed to function as a network, meaning they can relay signals between each other and maintain connectivity even in complex environments. This reduces reliance on a single communication link and enhances overall system stability. What this all leads to is a new kind of operational logic. Instead of a human operator controlling every detail, the role shifts towards supervision. The system handles coordination, spacing, and adaptation in real time, allowing one operator to manage a large number of drones without being overwhelmed. Understanding how Atlas works is important, but the real question is what it changes, and the answer is quite a lot. This system represents a broader transformation in how complex operations are designed and executed, shifting the focus from individual platforms to coordinated networks. One of the most significant effects is scale combined with coordination. When a large number of drones operate together with shared awareness, they can cover more space, process more information, and respond more quickly than isolated systems. This creates a level of operational density that is difficult to match using traditional approaches. Another key factor is timing and direction. A swarm can approach from multiple angles, in multiple stages, and with different roles assigned to different units. This adds layers of complexity to the environment, making it more challenging to predict or respond effectively. It is not just about numbers. It is about how those numbers are organized and applied. Efficiency also plays a major role. Compared to large, complex systems, smaller drones are often more cost-effective and easier to deploy. When combined into a coordinated swarm, they can deliver results that rival much larger platforms, but with greater flexibility. This changes the balance between cost and capability, making advanced operations more accessible. The ability to remain in an area for extended periods is another advantage. Instead of following a fixed path, drones can stay near a location, observe continuously, and adjust their actions based on evolving conditions. This creates a more adaptive and responsive system that can handle dynamic situations more effectively. Perhaps the most important shift is the compression of the decision cycle. Traditionally, identifying a target and responding to it could involve multiple steps, systems, and delays. With Atlas, these steps are connected within a single architecture, allowing information to flow directly from detection to action. This reduces the time between observation and response, making the system significantly more efficient. The Atlas drone swarm system represents more than a technological milestone. It signals a new way of thinking about complex systems. By connecting detection, coordination, and execution into one continuous process, it demonstrates how algorithm-driven warfare is now operational in real-world scenarios. The focus is shifting away from individual platforms and toward intelligent networks that can adapt, respond, and operate with remarkable efficiency. As these systems continue to evolve, the real question becomes clear: how far can this level of coordination go? Because the future will not be defined by one system alone, but by how many systems can think and act together. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on space exploration and scientific discoveries, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, you can visit our website, spaceinews.com. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.